How to use and recharge your ZAPME unit. Park your vehicle close enough to the EV that you intend to charge, but allow space to freely open the back doors of the vehicle carrying the ZAPME unit. Before powering on the ZAPME, choose the appropriate cable, CCS or CHAdeMO depending on the vehicle to be charged, and connect the Harting connector, shown here, to the ZAPME. Attach the charging head to the vehicle to be charged. Make sure the 12-volt connector is attached to a 12-volt outlet in your vehicle. However, it is advised to keep this connection permanent. Check behind the service flap that the high voltage circuit is powered. The power light should be blue. Power on your ZAPME. Once the ZAPME is acknowledged there is a connection between the unit and a vehicle to be charged, press start on the screen's display. When prompted, enter the registration of the vehicle to be charged, and choose either deliver the charge by duration or by amount of energy. Select the desired amount and allow the charging process to begin. To recharge a ZAPME from an AC power supply, simply connect the AC charging cable. The Type 2 connector attaches to the ZAPME, and the 32A amp IEC 6039 5-pin plug attaches to the main outlet. Power on the ZAPME, and once the screen instructs you to do so, turn on the mains power. Press start to begin the charge, and be sure to follow all on-screen instructions. This concludes your ZAPME demo.